Hello and welcome to Blaze. Today, we're going to show you how to invite new members and to accept invitations into a workspace. First, choose the workspace you want to invite members to. And click on Workspace Settings. Then click on Workspace Members. Here, you can see the current members of the workspace. To invite new members, click on Invite to Workspace at the top. Check the number of available licenses and upgrade your plan if you need more. Select the role you want to assign to the member. Enter their email address and click on Send Invitation. Your invitation request has been sent to the member. To check the status of the invitations, click on Invitations. Please note that invitations expire within 7 days if they are not accepted during that time. If you need to cancel an invitation, simply click on the delete icon. Now let's see how members can accept invitations. When you're invited to a workspace, you will receive an invitation email from Blaze. If you are new to Blaze, you will be asked to sign up. Otherwise, you will be asked to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a notification in the top right corner. Click on Received Invitations to see the details. To accept the invitation, click on the check mark icon. And just like that, you're now part of a new workspace. Collaboration is key to success. With Blaze, inviting members and accepting invitations has never been easier. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching.